We watched Connacht's game against Ulster before Christmas, and I thought they looked very, very strong. So it's going to be a really good test for us today. Conditions are difficult out there as well. We've tried to prepare as best we possibly can. Like, there's short turnarounds and a lot of distractions this time of year, and we have a number of changes. Connacht obviously have a lot more settled look to their team. So it's going to be a good challenge for us today. But tough game for us today off the back of the Munster game, which was off the back with the 2 extra games, and 5 days. In 5 days' time, we're running out here again on Saturday. The week after, we're back into Europe for 2 huge games. So never have we had a block of 7 games like we have at the moment. So that's where you rely on the squad depth. You play your 21 regular Pro 14 games, and we want to be able to prepare as well as we possibly can. So that's part of the thinking, is that we have this, I don't call it rotation, whatever you want, but it's to keep the group fit and healthy and well and very, very competitive.
Yeah, we're in fine fettle. We're in a good space, so we haven't got any excuses at all, really.
So you brought in a few players back. Is that to kind of bolster the squad, add a little bit more experience?
Yeah, I think experience will be a big factor, particularly in light of the conditions out there as well.
Yeah, it seems to be that the squad have taken on responsibility themselves a lot and are playing a certain type of brand of rugby that maybe in the beginning of the season they struggled a little bit with, but seem to fully embrace now. Is that the case?
Well, I hope so, because that's the way forward for us, in my opinion. Yes, so embrace is a good word. I think there's a little bit of excitement about it too.
And the fans certainly seem to be excited. That support that was there for the Brive game, full house again. We expect to see a lot of travelling fans right behind you again.
Oh, well, I hope so. And there's a lot of points being scored, and that's the name of the game these days. So.